Hi guys! Welcome back to Cantonese. I am 𝐶𝐒𝐃 𝐎𝐼R. After struggling for a long while to learn Cantonese by yourself, you decided to find a teacher. It will be very important for us to understand some classroom instructions so that we can have a good communication with our teachers. The first one. When you log in the Zoom meeting, the teacher would like to check the connection quality first. So we will ask, Could you hear me? 你聽唔聽到啊？你聽唔聽到啊？ So about 聽到 can't hear. 到 is like you could do something. 聽到 could hear. If you can't hear, 聽唔到. So 你聽唔聽到啊？ Could you hear me? Similarly, like could you see me? 睇到 can see. 你睇唔睇到我啊？你睇唔睇到我啊？ Could you see me? If you can't, just tell your teachers, 我聽唔到你 or 我睇唔到你. The second one, we know that accident happens all the time. If you need few minutes to set up your computer, you can ask permissions in this way. 麻煩等陣，麻煩 It's like, excuse me, sorry to bother you. 等陣 wait for a while. 麻煩等陣 Please wait for a moment. Number 3. When you finally set up everything, you can apologize for being late. 唔好意思啊，我遲到咗。唔好意思啊，我遲到咗。唔好意思 I'm sorry. 遲到 be late. 唔好意思啊，我遲到咗。I'm sorry for being late. Let's group. We will use this structure. 可唔可以？得唔得？可唔可以？得唔得？ I have this video already, so please click this link to learn more. Sometimes the teachers will speak fast. You can't catch up with her. You can ask, Could you speak more slowly? 老師，可唔可以講慢啲啊？老師，可唔可以講慢啲啊？老師 teacher 可唔可以 could or not 講 speak 慢啲slow 啲 more 可唔可以講慢啲啊？ Could you speak more slowly? Number 5. If you would like to listen this explanation one more time, you can ask your teachers, Could you say it one more time, please? 老師，唔該，可唔可以講多一次啊？唔該 excuse me. Please, 可唔可以 could or not 講 speak say 多 more 一次 one more time. 老師，唔該，可唔可以再講多一次啊？ Could you say it one more time, please, teacher? The last group, we are going to ask some yes or no questions. Remember to put both yes and no inside questions. As your teachers, we would like to make sure that we help you get rid of all confusions. So we always ask, 你有冇問題啊？你有冇問題啊？有冇 have or not 問題 question 你有冇問題啊？ Do you have any questions? If you don't have questions, just answer 冇問題 no problem. Or we could say 我有一個問題我有一個問題I have a question. Number 7. Then tell your teachers your question. For example, like, what tones of this character? 呢個字係第幾聲啊？呢個字係第幾聲啊？呢個 this 字 character 係 is 第幾聲 which tone 呢個字係第幾聲啊？ Which tone of this character is? Number 8. Some students are quite excited when they learn a new word, which is similar to one of the words that they have learned before, like 糕 and 蛋糕. So they will ask, 糕同糕係唔係一樣㗎？糕同糕係唔係一樣㗎？糕 tall 同 and 高 cake 係唔係，係唔係 is or not 一樣，一樣 the same 㗎。高同高係唔係一樣㗎？ Is gold the same as gold? They are not. That's why you have to learn characters if you want to level up your Cantonese. Number 9. Grammar is very confusing, so we will ask you these questions after a long explanation. 明唔明啊？明唔明啊？ Do you understand? If you don't understand, just tell us. 我唔明啊，我唔明啊 I don't understand. Number 10. Is it correct? 呢個啱唔啱啊？呢個啱唔啱啊？啱，啱 right 唔啱，唔啱 wrong 呢個啱唔啱啊？ Is it correct? Number 11. It's okay that you forget some words that we have taught you before. So just tell your teacher, 我唔記得咗呢個嘅意思啊。我唔記得咗呢個嘅意思啊。唔記得，唔記得 Don't remember, forget 咗 past tense 呢個，呢個 this 嘅意思，意思 meaning 我唔記得咗呢個嘅意思啊。I forgot this character's meaning. Or if you forget to do your homework, just tell us. 我唔記得做功課啊。我唔記得做功課啊。做功課，做功課 do homework. Or 我唔記得做作業啊。作業 homework as well. So that's what we learned today. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumb up. So Chinese New Year is coming, so hope you could have fun in this festival. If you would like to find teachers, I'm always available for you. I work 7 days a week. And please contact me on this social media. Yeah, I start to think about should I have a group lesson. So just let me know you're interested in the group lessons so that I can arrange for you. If you would like to support me, you could go to my Patreon page to buy me a bubble tea, or also you could buy my Jyutping learning material. See you soon. Bye bye.